Hi everyone, Ellen Marfil here. You must have tuned in here because you're an aspiring playwright. Well, this is the right place because Roddy Vera is one of my idols when it comes to playwriting, and he is also one of the best teachers. He also wrote for films like Signal Rock and the recent Combursa. If you've seen them, they're very good. But his first love is playwriting. Iba raw ang laya sa pagsusulat ng dula. So we prepared 1-minute bites of his course here in Peliculab. Just follow us to learn more. Libre to para sa inyo.
Magandang araw! Narito tayo sa isang kurso na tumatalakay kung paano magsulat ng dula. Hindi magsulat ng kahit ano pa man kung hindi dula para sa entablado. Kakaiba kasi kung paano magsulat ng dula. Compare halimbawa sa pagsulat ng nobela, ng maikling kwento, ng sanaysay, at kahit ng tula. Bagamat ang pagsulat ng dula ay ang pinagmumulan niya, ang roots niyan, ay nasa poetry, nasa panulaan. Ngayon, pag sinasabi nating isa kang playwright, sinusulat ka talaga para sa entablado. At hindi kinakailangang tula yung sinusulat mo.